Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to pass system prompts to Genkit with Firebase and Node.js. So let's get started. So first, as usual, I will just create one simple project folder. I would say you can name it whatever you feel like. I'll just name it as first. Okay, then I'll just open my terminal. I'll cd to the to this particular first folder. I'll just drag and drop it over here. Then I can just do npm init-y, so it will create the package.json file for us. Then I can just open this file inside VS Code over here. Then if you go through the documentation, they have given all the steps. So come over here, and first we need to install this dependency. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. Then I'll just scroll down. So we need to create this Gemini key. So you can just click on this URL over here. It will redirect you to this. Just click on get API key. Create an API key, and here you can just select this Gemini API, create API key in existing project. Just copy this. Okay, we'll come back to this in a bit. Then we need to create a TypeScript file. So I will just name it as index.ts. okay, I'll just copy this particular part and I'll paste it over here. Now here if you see, we just need to pass the API key over here. So I am not using environment variable, so I can just remove this. I'll add a quotes, and here I'll just copy this API key which I have and I'll paste it over here. Now here we need to pass the system prompt. So to pass the system prompt as well as what our question is, so you'll have to do something like this. So here is the prompt, okay, and we don't need all this, and here we can just it is prompt as well as it is system, right? So I think system, okay, something like this. So I will just say it like you are an angry assistant who is extremely pissed off at everyone. So the responses would be like that, basically depending on your system prompt. So I'm just asking what is the capital of France. Let me make it India because I don't know what's the capital of France. Maybe Paris, I guess. But here I can just now run npx tsx index.ts because I just have one TypeScript file. I can directly use something like this npx tsx index.ts. I don't have to worry about the dist and build folder. So let's just wait. So I think it is still booting up. So here you can see, or do I look like some godman walking encyclopedia? It's New Delhi, obviously. Now are we done with this idiotic question, or you have more trivia to be here to bore me with? Okay, but here now if I just change this to you are a helpful assistant, okay, and I'll just remove this. I'll add the quotes. Okay, now I'll just run this again. Now I think it should just say it's New Delhi. So yeah, the capital of India is New Delhi. So hopefully you got the point. That's how you can use system prompts with Firebase Genkit in Node.js. Thank you for watching. Bye.